In this video I am going to show you how you can create a Telegram chatbot. First of all, you need to go to whatsfly.net. Here you can sign up your account. So I already signed up my account, and after sign upping you need to go Telegram bot. So here you can select option connect bot, then you need to go bot further. So here I am using what's Telegram web. So here I am start, then I need to uh, create a new bot. So that's why I need to click on new bot. So what's will be my bot name? So I am creating Whatsfly. So uh, this this is asking me to create a name with Whatsfly underscore bot. So let me try Whatsfly.bot. Then I will get a API token, HTTP API. So let me copy the HTTP API token, and after copying the token, you need to go on Telegram bot. Then you need to paste, then connect. It's successfully connected. Now I am creating a option. I mean, what will be the get start message? So I am going to bot manager. Then you need to go on action button, get start message. So here I will select the option, like, just 1 minute. I have already saved some of the chatbot, so that's why I am copying from there. Let me copy from there. So when someone click on our chatbot, then after clicking on the start button, what will get the answer? I mean, what customer get the answer? So that the bot I am creating right now. So first of all, when someone click on the start, then he will get a image. So I am pasting the image. Then I am using a text here. So I am using this text. Okay, done, save. So after saving, if I go to our chatbot, if I click start, then you will get a quick response that I am already saving. You can also make more attractive chatbot from your end. So here if I add button, then if I click on here is option like e-commerce features. If I create a button like e-commerce features, then if I set as new message and replay as image, then if I click on this image and put the image link, and next I am using a text. So let me add some text. So right now if I go here and click start again, I'll get a button text reply. See here, if I click on e-commerce feature, then sorry, I already clicked too many times, that's why it's giving me replay too many times. So let me start again, then I will get a response. If I click e-commerce feature, then I'll get response instantly. So that's the way you can create a chatbot on Telegram. So see you in a next video. Have a good day. Bye.